Welcome back. There is a drastic decline in iron ore production in the country. Following ban by the Supreme Court on mining iron ore, the steel industry are facing shortage of raw material. Hence, import of iron ore from foreign countries has gone up by 67%.
The continued ban in Goa and delay in environment and forest clearances cap on iron ore mining in Odisha have resulted in decline of iron ore production. The steel industry has imported about 3.05 million tons of iron ore during the year 2012-2013 for the port-based steel mills. If compared 0.97 million tons of iron ore imported during the year 2011-2012, the imports in 2012-2013 went up by 3 times. However, in the current fiscal, iron ore imports are likely to shoot up by 67% to 5 million tons. India has been the third largest exporter of iron ore till 2011, which perhaps lost its position due to various factors. As per Federation of Indian Mineral Industries, export duty of 30% with higher rates on iron ore were meant for exports by railways. Iron ore exports have come down sharply during the last fiscal. Production of iron ore has come down to 218 million tons in 2008-2009. Furthermore, it has come down to 140 million tons in 2012-2013. On account of reduced iron ore production and regional shortages of iron ore, major steel units like Hisar Hazira, Bhushan Steel and JSW Ispat have restored to imports of iron ore. India had recorded a surplus of 110 million tons in 2008-2010. However, it came down to a level of 17 million tons in the year 2012-2013. Bureau Report Prudent.
CCP has resolved to accept Agarwal report on market scam. Corporation has also decided to raise down illegal structures in Panji market. A committee has been constituted to look after this initiative. Opposition councillors have also been incorporated in this committee. Vaidehi Naik has refused to be a part of this committee. She alleged that standing committee's decision was taken without considering them.
नाही आम्ही ताका कितें सांगला तो कमिटी करूया आनी अपोजिशनाकूय घालुया पूण जेन्ना खंयचेच कमिटीचेर जे फंक्शनींग सीसीपीचे चलता ते स्टँडींग कमिटीचे डिसिजन सुद्दां हांगा आमकां डिस्कस जावंक अलावड ना ते म्हणटा दीस इज ओन्ली फॉर कन्फर्मेशन मागीर आमी मार्केट कमिटीच्या ह्या कमिटींत आमी आसून काय व्हडलोसो फरक पडचो ना तुमी खंयचोय बी रायट डिसिजन घेया आमकां हो मार्केट इश्यूज सगळ्यां बरोबर आमकांय सॉल्व जाल्लो जाय तेन्ना पूण आमी ताका सांगलां यू टेक एक्शन रायट डिसिजन आमी सपोर्ट करतली आमी कमिटीचेर रावना जी ताणें तयार केले तातूंत पूण कित्याक ऑलरेडी कमिटीज मार्केट कमिटी आसा आनी ऑलरेडी सगळे आमी अगरवालाचो रिपोर्ट आयिल्लो आसा गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन दिल्ले आसा बाकीचे एक्शन घेवपाक ताका सांगलां आमी फ्री हँड दिला तूं रायट डिसिजन घे आमी तुका सपोर्ट करतली.
State secondary school teachers are demanding modified assured career program scheme. They are also demanding scrapping of government's 12th June circular on extended school hours and hiked instructional days for schools. Teachers have given a deadline of 5th September. Association is optimistic that CM will resolve this issue before 5th September.
Chief Minister दिला Director of Education दिला जे circular Director of Education 12 तारखेक इश्यू केला 12 जुनाचे ते circular आमी withdraw करपाक मागला. At the earliest, the circular should be withdrawn because it is discriminatory in nature. जे extension टायमाचे वाडयला त्याच बरोबर जे वर्किंग डेज वाडयले इंस्ट्रक्शनल डेज वाडयल्या ज्या सर्कुलरान ते सर्कुलर आमी जाता तितके बेगीन विथड्रॉ करपाचे मागणी केल्या. दुसरो इशू आसा आमचे प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ पार्ट बी स्केल आमकां 2011 पार्ट बी स्केल दिल्ली ही 2008च्यान जरी जालें 2006च्यान जरी जालें 2008च्यान आमकां 6 पे लागले पूण पार्ट बीची स्केल 2011च्यान दिल्ली. इम्प्लिमेंटेशन ऑफ MEA-CPS मीन्स दीस इज मॉडिफायड अश्युअर्ड करियर प्रोग्रेशन स्कीम. सो आमी त्या वेळार तांकां सांगलां की आमकां सिनियर स्केल आनी सिलेक्शन स्केल नाका ताज्या जाग्याचेर आमकां MEA-CPS दियात. इन हावज युनॅनिमसली एवरीबडी प्रपोज. The suggestion was not from the committee, the suggestion has come from all the teachers who are present. They said yes, we'll go on a protest march on 5th of September. So we'll try to see if it is possible to resolve the issues before 5th of September. If our Honorable Chief Minister is very positive, the issues might be resolved before 5th of September.
Okay, but if not then...
yeah, definitely we are there. Yes. All the teachers.
A dead body was being found floating in Tarpona River at Bhatpar, Kankona. Electricity staff on duty saw the body floating and informed the locals. The body has been sent for post-mortem. Locals are unable to identify the body as they are not aware of anybody recently missing from the village.
This is yet another dead body found in Kankon. The body is unidentified as it is highly decomposed. Electricity staff on duty saw the body floating in the river and informed nearby locals.
ओळखाचो मेळना जेन्ना तेगे बॉडी पडटकच कळटलें तेगे तो कोण कितें काय पण हांगचो कोण मिसींग बी तसो आसा हांगा कोण ना आमच्या वाड्यार बिलकुल कोण ना मिसींग बी कोण ना म्हणल्यार दुसरे कडल्यान व्हांवून पडलेलो आसपाक शकता चड व्हांवून आसतलो तो वयल्यान.
Former Sarpanch of Bhatpal, Vipin Prabhugankar says locals should cooperate with the police in probe.
बरी पुलीस फोर्स लावन बरी एन्क्वायरी करची ताजेर आनी हे खरें सुसायड जाता काय मर्डर जाता ह्याय डिटेल भितर वचचें पूण लोकांक खबर आसतना लोक मुखार सरनात की आपणे आनी ते पुलिसे कटकट कित्याक आपणे आनी ते लोकां आनी कोर्ट कचेरी कित्याक अशें करून जाता आनी मागीर ते अशी केसी वाडत वतात अशें म्हाका दिसता.
Kankonkars are upset with such incidents. Last week, body of a female was found in forest of Gaondongri with her throat slit. Happenings have raised a big question about law and order situation and the capability of the police to control the crime. Reporter Babesh Borkar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.